Alright, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, consider subscribing to the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss my video whenever I post video. So today we are creating a social media flyer. So let's start the video. First, this is the picture we are working with. I've already imported the picture. This is it here. So the next thing now is, just like I told you before, I will be opening the sources we are working with here. The first thing to open here is the shape. I've created the shape. Anyone I open, I will show you how to do it. So this is it here. This shape. Bring this here. Then another thing is, okay, I think we should create, let's open it, this circle here. This is just a circle. You see, I just touched this edge like this. It's just a circle. Then you turn it this way. Drop it here. Then I think we have another circle here. You see, it pops up down here. The same thing, we just change the color. Just leave it here. Then another thing we should open now is the logo. This is the logo here. This is the logo. Let's bring this a little bit here. This is the logo we are working with. Reduce this a little bit. Then let's just group. Let's lock this picture so that it will not be moving when we are working. So another thing here is, let's bring in one of the text here. One of the text. Yeah, you see. This is choice. This is the normal font that comes up when you create a new text. I didn't change the font of this choice now. You see, I will also show you how to then look at this 2023. See how I got this color. When you want to give this, when you want to give a word two different color like this with your PIXELLAB, just come to this down, this thing here. You see this thing, I just selected only 23. When you touch it, you see that 23 has changed to red. When you touch it, it has changed to this color. When you touch it, it changed. So that is it. Whenever you want to do it, you select the one you want to change and change it. So that's it. Then let's open this papers. Open it. Papers. The name of the font for this papers is called Movement. Movement is the name of the font. Then I think we should open this picture and shift it a little bit here. Good. Then we should lock it. Okay, we should lock it. Okay. Another thing is, let's open this get your PVC. Get your PVC. Okay. It's just a test I've created already. I just group them. Get your PVC. Let's open these two texts here. Votes. I give this vote let color. Then I go to stroke. This is stroke. It has stroke. You see, I've removed the stroke. I've added the stroke. The stroke wide is at 5. Then you close it. That's it for this. Then I think, okay, let's select this good. Go to position, you bring this good over here. You want to reduce the size of this good. Reduce the size. This is good. That's it. Then the next thing now to open is bringing in the names. We'll just activate these names. I will show you how I do it. You see, this is the name. You see it. These are separate texts I've created for this. Then this particular text now you are seeing here, this OD, is the name of the font is also movement. So that's the name of the font I use for this particular text here. So another thing now is this. Let's open this, then open this. You see, this is governor. I created a new text, put in the governor and change the font to this movement. Also, I used almost the same font throughout this. Just like I told before, it's not good to use multiple fonts when you are designing. It will make your design look bad. So this one is also the normal font that comes with PIXELLAB when you create a new text, but instead, so this one is 4. It's a square and a text joined together. So the name of the font for that 4 is back-to-back demo. If you have been watching my video, you know I normally use this font for this design. So that's just it for this particular design. So I believe I've touched all the designs here. I've touched everything here. I've teach you how to get this and all this. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video if you find this video interesting, share it with your friends, and see you next time in my next video.